Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to view your Royal Bank credit card statement online. In order to view Royal Bank credit card statement online, you'd have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in the link that is www.rbcroyalbank.com. It's gonna take you to the official page, which is gonna look something like this. So right on this page, what you have to do is you can see this is how it's gonna look like. So to see your statement, you could go to log in into your online banking account. When you're logged into your account from the home page, you could go to statement section, and as you press the statement section, you'll be able to see the information regarding your statement. And if you are unable to see the statement, or if you cannot see it, then what you have to do is just press the I button next to it, and you should be able to see your statements. So likewise, you could go ahead and read all of the information that has been mentioned. So in this way, you can view your Royal Bank credit card statement online. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.